cat has 9 lives. Supersizing your business probably should too. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, little Halloween cat. Halloween is a great time to have props for our videos. So a cat has 9 lives, and I would contend that our businesses and supersizing and growing our business ought to have 9 lives too. This idiom is a very old one. It comes from a god by the name of Atum, and I'm probably meet the name Ra, who was a sun god who visited the underworld and produced 4 other gods, and then the other gods produced 4 other gods, and so that the group of them became known as Ennead, or again probably meet the name, and the Egyptians regarded Atum Ra as the cat god with 9 lives, and that's where it originally came from. Then Romeo and Juliet, of course, William Shakespeare used it in the play Romeo and Juliet, but it implies that cats are resilient and can survive dangerous situations multiple times. Well, don't we have to survive dangerous or challenging situations, maybe not dangerous, but challenging to the existence of our business several times as we're growing and building and supersizing? I don't know about you, but almost every business I've ever had has had major challenges to it, either competitive or regulatory or legal, at some point during the growth phase of that organization. It's just a part of life. We deal with change and challenges every single day. But it's used to describe someone who seems to have a lot of luck or escapes trouble frequently. Now, trouble doesn't have to be negative. It might just be challenges or changes. All of us had to survive COVID a few years ago. So that's one of those challenges that we probably could not have anticipated, or most of us didn't anticipate. I know I sure didn't anyway. But we're still here today. Therefore, we have gone through and survived it, and we're still moving forward. So love to know your experience and your thoughts about this particular idiom. I actually have owned cats, believe it or not. My family liked to tease me about being a cat lady, but I only really had 2 cats for a while, and they were my children. So I got one I inherited from my daughter and one from my son. And then when I moved, I had to re-gift and rehome my cats because I couldn't have them in my new place. So love to know your experience with this. Have you had to go through several challenges as you're building and growing and supersizing your business? Share those stories in the comments below so we can learn from one another. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a great day.